Yasha Intelligent Double Planetary Mixer. The entire machine adopts a rugged industrial aesthetic design. The stainless steel body highlights exquisite craftsmanship. Hydraulic or electric lifting system. With one-touch control, the mixing barrel can be smoothly lifted. Double planetary power mechanism. Coordinated revolution and self-rotation ensure uniform blending. Paired with a high-torque servo motor, easily tackles high-viscosity material challenges. Twist blade plus scraper achieve 3D synchronized motion, zero dead zone residual guarantee. Post-mixing slurry homogeneity meets industrial premium standards. Integral coolant, heating jacket included as default. Supports temperature control via chilled water, thermal oil, circulation. Bottom-mounted wide port discharge system. Significantly enhanced production capacity.